Samsung's Galaxy S26 series has been a whirlwind of rumors this year, cancelled models, revived ones, and endless chipset debates. With fierce competition from stellar iPhones, Pixels, and OnePlus flagships, Samsung faces real pressure to deliver something exciting in early 2026. The biggest drama? The ultra-slim Galaxy S26 Edge looked set to replace the Plus model after the S25 Edge's debut, but poor sales killed it off. Samsung sticks with the classic trio, S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. No slim sequel means no niche thin phone next year, though the lineup might borrow some of that tech for sleeker designs overall. Chipset gamble. The chipset is a high-stakes gamble. Rumors point to a regional split, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 globally, including an overclocked 4 Galaxy version on the Ultra, but Exynos 2600 in Korea, and possibly Europe. Samsung's 2nm chip promises big leaps in efficiency and AI, but if it falls short on GPU power like past Exynos chips, buyers in those regions could feel shortchanged compared to Snapdragon's proven dominance. Camera upgrades. Cameras? Don't expect revolutions. Latest leaks suggest mostly carryover hardware from the S25 series, same 200MP main on the Ultra, similar telephotos, and no massive sensor jumps on base/Plus models, cost-cutting to avoid price hikes. Minor tweaks like a slightly larger 3x sensor on the Ultra could improve low light and zoom, but it's iterative, not groundbreaking. Charging and battery. Charging finally gets love. The Ultra reportedly jumps to 60W wired, from 45W, and 25W wireless, with Qi 2 magnetic support across the line for snap-on accessories. Battery capacities stay familiar, around 5000 mAh on Ultra, slight bump on base, but better efficiency could mean longer real-world life. Overall, the S26 series shapes up as solid but safe, refined designs, faster charging, and AI polish, launching likely in late January or February 2026. It won't rewrite the flagship rulebook, but in a year where rivals are pushing boundaries, Samsung plays it cautious. The real question, will subtle upgrades be enough to stand out, or does Samsung need bolder risks to reclaim excitement? That's the chaos surrounding the Galaxy S26, promising in spots, but after all the flip-flopping rumors, it feels like Samsung's holding back the big surprises. What do you think, hyped or underwhelmed? Stick around for launch coverage. This race is just heating up.